everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about the code editor for our Arduino. So in my previous video I have given you a gist about our Arduino Uno. So this is our programming page, which is known as Arduino IDE. So to open a new file like this, you can click on File and New Sketch. To save it, you can click on Save As, and here and setup you can just type your code. It will run only once. And loop, you can type your code which will run forever until the power goes off. So on setup you can just define pins, like if you are using a pin you can just define it, which I'll explain now. And loop, you can just define like which code you are going to do repeatedly here. So now we are going to run a simple program using this Arduino Uno, which is already inbuilt. So now I'm going to go to File and open Recent. I have created this, just blink. So it's loading, and you can see this. So this is the code. So void setup. So pin mode LED built-in, comma output. So we haven't built-in LED on this Arduino Uno, and we're declaring it as a output. So void loop, which will run forever. So digital write means send a signal. So LED built-in. So we are going to tell the LED built-in to be high, which is glow, until 8,000. So Arduino takes like in milliseconds. So 1000 means 1 second. And again digital write LED built-in comma low, which will go off until 1000. And by this Arduino will just know, first we have to turn the LED on, wait a second, turn the LED off, and wait a second. So you can just click on this upload button on your screen, and you can just upload it in your Arduino Uno. So now I'm going to be taking my Arduino Uno and showing you how to upload it. Now I have connected my Arduino to the A port, and you can see the LEDs blinking, and because I have already uploaded the code, so let me show you how to upload it. Now you saw that the LED blinks. So now let me show you how to upload a code. First you should connect your Arduino to your computer and to the A port. You can see this arrow mark like symbol which is upload. To click on that, it says compiling sketch and you need to wait uploading. So it says done uploading. You can your Arduino, you can see that the LED is blinking, and this is how you can upload the code on your Arduino. So in my next video we'll be blinking an external LED by modifying this code. So thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Bye.